Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to boot into update mode. This is possible with your Honor Magic 8 Pro smartphone. Okay, if you have a broken system, that is not good as well. Yeah, and the standard processes are not working well. You can make this by using USB cable or a stick. You can make external software apps which you can use as programs. You can update your system, or you can root your system, your Honor Magic 8 Pro system, your Android system. That's possible, but for this you have to boot into the update mode. How we perform this? Volume up, volume down over there. Power button over there. Okay, yeah. Now we push the power button and the volume up together to switch off the system. Now we are shutting down the system. After the shutdown of the system is completed, we are again push power button and volume up, but we keep it hold it until we see the the recovery mode system. Oh yeah. So here we are, Magic Operation System. Now we can navigate up and down and to go here to update mode. To enter the update mode, you have to enter yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. We want to go into the update mode, so we have to write here yes. Of course. Enter update mode. Now you can go again here to navigate between them. Now we can choose memory card OTG update mode or USB update mode. That means you can then use an external device like a USB stick or something else, or a memory card or an OTG. You can use if there are the procs, the operation system on it, that we can make an update. This Honor Magic 8 Pro. That means we can root it, or we can flash it. We can renew it by using an external device. After this process is done, we go to restart and our device will restart and of course works well or often very well again, of course. Or it works different because you rooted the system, maybe. Because you're a Honor Magic 8 Pro kitty. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.